Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Ace2 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find passwords and security. Then let's enter system security, scroll down and find this installation sources. Let's tap. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the switcher next to the app. Your device will ask you if you really want to allow this specific app to install some apps. You must be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Just tap on allow. And from now on, the Chrome, in my case, is allowed to install something. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.